Hi, I'm Anvil Panow making creamy maple crepe stack with 2 whole fresh eggs and 4 egg yolks in a food processor. And 2 tablespoons of pure lemon juice. And 1 teaspoon of Himalayan pink salt and 1/2 of a teaspoon of ground black pepper. 1 cup of solid refined coconut oil into a pot. I'm turning it on to warm to melt the oil. The oil is melted, so now I'll chill it briefly until it reaches room temperature. Now I'm adding 1 cup of olive oil, extra virgin, and stirring it up. Turning on the food processor and adding the oil mixture 1 tablespoon at a time. And turning off the food processor, and it's mayonnaise, Paleo mayonnaise. Now I'm transferring it to a storage container, glass, to keep chilled in the refrigerator and use as desired. Now I'm adding 1 tablespoon of solid refined coconut oil and 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil to a pot. And I'm setting the pot on brown to heat up the oil. Now I'm cranking 6 whole fresh eggs into a medium-sized bowl and adding 2 tablespoons of plain water, cool, and 1 pinch of Himalayan pink salt. Now I'm beating the egg and water and salt mixture until it's completely homogenized. Now I'm pouring a little bit of the egg mixture into the pot of heated oil, just enough to cover the bottom of the pot. That's not quite enough, so I'll add just a little bit more to cover the pot. Now I'll close the rice cooker and heat until I can lift up the egg and fold it in half And then I'm adding another thin layer of egg mixture to the pot, closing and folding up over the first piece of egg and doing the same thing again. Folding it up again. And one more time. And now it's done. Now I'm pouring some pure maple syrup over the eggs on a dinner plate and scooping some of the mayonnaise onto the other side of the stack. This side with just one piece, and then folding the one piece over the rest of the stack and sprinkling Ceylon cinnamon over the stack. Now I'm going to try it. It's good, creamy and sweet.